Hey, Dirk here from the Freedom Lifestyles Academy. I want to shoot this video for you as a review for the Internet Traffic Mastery. Internet Traffic Mastery is what we from the Freedom Lifestyles Academy would say is the best platform there is for traffic education. It's created by Vick Strizheus, and Vick Strizheus has also created the 4% challenge. That is a whole ecosystem platform, and the Internet Traffic Mastery is part of that. But now you can get the Internet Traffic Mastery just as a standalone product, and you will be actually crazy not to purchase this. And why do I say that? Because, you know, Muriel and I have been working online for the last 5 years. I don't know when you see this video, but let's say we got started in 2013, and we learned the basics and everything you need to know from Vick Strizheus himself. But that was in 2013 and 14. Now in 2018, the Internet Traffic Mastery is out and launched, and we are going through it. And even though we were able to build a multiple six-figure income online, basically mostly because of Instagram. Now combining this strategy of Instagram with the Internet Traffic Mastery course, it is just mind-blowing. So much is more accessible, and what we see, traffic is booming, and we get, you know, more leads and more sales and all over that is. But this is a review for the Internet Traffic Mastery, so let's go there. I'm in the back office of the 4%. If you get Internet Traffic Mastery, you will have access to this same back office. Probably not everything will be open. I'm not sure we have access to all, but let's go to the Internet Traffic Mastery. What I really like about it is that compared to different traffic courses or workshops in that way, is that mostly it is, let's say you get an Instagram, Facebook course, how to place Facebook ads. Well, by the time you get that, 9 out of the 10 times it's outdated by the time you start using it. I know, trust me, I've been there. I've bought courses of Facebook, how to set Facebook ads, and none of them, you know, they would work for a short time and they will be outdated, and I had to start over again and do my research and buy another course and stuff like that. Now, there is a lot of out there on YouTube what you can do, but the things Vick teaches, I cannot really find on YouTube itself, and most of the time, you know, people find it, if it's for free on YouTube, it's undervalued and therefore probably not worth anything. Vick teaches here, let me go through it. It's our, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 modules. I think it's about 13 hours of just training and take you by the hand and step by step how do you do that. What he will not do is it is strategy, not technically. So things can change, websites can change, so he shares you know, traffic, 24-hour traffic media and how that works. But these platforms can change, but this, you know, the way you do it, the idea behind it always stay the same. How do you work with influence? Let's see, you know, let's go to influence traffic media. What he will share in his video is how the idea works. How do you go, to work with this? And then he talks about Instagram influencers, Snapchat influencers, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, bloggers, podcasters, and how do you connect with these people? And how can you use them for your business? So not everybody, every business, for Instagram. Maybe your business is more connected with people on Facebook. So that is really how you can use this. Look, these are what people are saying. I'm blown away. It's golden. It's great. Oh my God, the info. It goes on and on. And every training you see, there are responses like this because it is just 100% value. Let me go back. Let me see if I go back and show you another one. It is built up for beginners. What I really like about it is there are free strategies and there's paid traffic strategies. A lot of times you get access to this and you, oh, now I have to buy traffic for about $1,000 and that's not my budget. Okay, that's not your budget. Social media traffic. And this is not, I'm not talking about how to, do a Facebook ad or place an ad on YouTube. That is explained here as well. Not Facebook ad, but the strategies with YouTube and things, but not how to place a paid ad. That is where you can find that on YouTube for free. But Facebook strategy or YouTube strategy is the same strategy. But how do you do that? How he really draws it out and shows you how to do it. How do you get your live video? For example, you do a live video on Facebook. How do you get it to go viral? How do you get it for to people to share it with you? We did. Let me go and I show you this strategy that we used not that long ago. Let me see if I can find it. We did it a few days ago. I just want to show you that this strategy just works. And although of course it needs a build up, and we just got started with this strategy, but I just really like it. Here's just I went with my son, and why is it not? Let me go, because this is really great. We did a live video and I do it together with Muriel. And so that was one. So here we did a video. Can I see it like this? I cannot see it like this, right? Anyway, this is the video, and you could see it. And we were shared about 18 times. I think I should look at. Maybe I can look at Muriel's. I know it takes a little bit long, but I really wanted to show you this in a way. Am I can't see it here. Anyway, this was the video. It has went up to 734 views, and it was shared about. Look here. Mark shared the live video, so that was one of him, and I think she just shared. Anyway, it got shared about 18 times, and we got so much more exposure by that. And this is something that we are implementing into our business and doing that, twice a week. But this is just one of the strategies. For example, we are doing a lot with Instagram, and people are coming to our page. How do you retarget? You remember that you ever booked a trip, or you looked on internet for a specific camera or something, and then suddenly you see this product following you around the internet. So how do you do that? How do you how do you create banners like that? I don't know. I can't show you here. I don't think I can. How do you work around that? How do you work with banners? For example, this, right? So we collect with people through Instagram, and they see it, and now we are following them online. How do you do that? It's all explained here in the Internet Traffic Mastery. So my conclusion for the Internet Traffic Mastery is that if you are if you are building a business and you have questions about traffic, if you struggle with traffic, the Internet Traffic Mastery is a must-have course. It's a must-have, whatever you're building. If you have a restaurant, a brick and mortar business, or you're building a multi-level marketing business, any kind of business, whether it's It Works, Isaac Jennings, Prove It, name it, traffic is what you need. And I believe, and what my experience is that Vick Strizheus is the expert in traffic. He teaches you how to get traffic, how to make leads, how to convert them into sales. So if you get your hands on internet marketing traffic, definitely go for it. If you want to get started with that, then go in the description below this video. Make sure to just subscribe to our channel to stay updated, and hit the bell icon so you get notified. But also click the link, and you get access to the 4% It's a $1 trial to get started, and you can start with the challenge so you can learn more about the basic how you can build your business. And then along the way you can get access to the internet traffic mastery as well and connect all the dots so that you are not left behind and know exactly how to build your business online. We're looking forward. If you're having any questions, feel free to reach out to us and ask them leave a comment below this video, and we're happy to comment on it and help you along your way. That being said, have an awesome day. Talk soon. Bye.